Hello, third graders. Okay, so you made it to step 6. So you have finished your pre-writing, you have put it into order and using transition words. Now we're going to have to work on creating our introduction or topic sentence. So before this slide, you have watched the video about how to hook the reader. So I just want to give you a little bit of an example of how to hook the reader and also talk a little bit about how to start your topic sentence. So let's look over here at the anchor chart for our topic sentence slash introduction sentence. So Main Street, this is your main idea. This is what you're going to tell the reader what you are writing about. So a complete sentence that expresses the main idea of your paragraph. So what is the main idea about your paragraph? Something that you're good at. There are several ways that you can hook the reader. 3 of these ways you can answer questions like why, how, or where. Has supporting sentences or relevant details. It can prove, explain, or describe something. So if I were to hook the reader about why I'm good at softball, I could use an example of, have you ever wondered what you're really good at? Well, something that I'm really good at is playing softball, and these are the reasons why. And then I would go into my key details about why I'm good at that sport. So you're going to do the same thing on the very next slide. You are going to come up with your introduction sentence. So you start to write your introduction sentence. Try and hook the reader to want to read more about what you are good at. Okay, so good luck. I'll check back in on the draft part. Keep working hard. I'll talk to you